Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you something about fingernails and how to make them look pretty in a really quick and easy way. If you're like me who can't really grow out nails, or maybe you're bad at painting your nails, but sometimes like maybe you're going on a date or you have some really special and important events to attend and you want your nails to look as pretty as those girls out there who got their acrylic nails with really long fingertips and maybe some like diamondy bling bling kind of decorations on the nails, this video is for you because I'm going to talk about press-on nails today. Look how pretty they are. There you go. These are really easy to put on. It takes you literally less than 5 minutes and yeah, they're really affordable as well. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. I know there are lots of brands out there that make press-on nails, but today's video I'm going to focus on a brand called Diva. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was like doing my shopping therapy and I went crazy online and I ordered myself like 7 boxes of press-on nails from Diva. I think one of the reasons why I got so many is because like they got loads of different designs from their press-on nails range. Let me show you one by one actually. They have some really cutesy designs, like look at this like little patterned one, and then this, oh my god, look at the little cactus saying hello, so cute. This is like some pink nails with some black lace, and I feel like the red one here is perfect for winter time. I also got some really simple stripy and motte kind of like designs, blue color. And last but not least, like the one that I'm using currently, which is this like really simple pink and like marble-y design. So now I'm going to show you how I put on these nails, and also at the end of the video I'm going to show you some tips on how to make like any press-on nails last longer. I'm already on day 2 of wearing these nails and they're still going really strong. So yeah, let's get started! So first of all, grab your press-on nails of choice. I'm using this simple pinky design here. And here are my ugly little tiny fingers, non-edited of course. So after you peeled off all the wrappings and open your press-on nails packaging, you can see a pack of tools inside other than the fake nails, just like what I'm showing here. And in there, you could find a little wooden stick. You could use it to push back your cuticle when prepping your nails, and also use it to remove your press-on nails using the pointy end to peel them off with a little help of polish remover basically. And there is also a very petite size of a nail filer. It's super small and it's only one-sided, and I don't really like using it because it's not that convenient. And then you also get a pack of prep pad, which is actually an alcohol wipe for you to clean your nails beforehand in case there's any grease or dirt. And last but not least, of course, you get a very simple instruction manual. I got mine from Korea, so I don't know if it looks the same. And we can now move on to the nails. I like to spread out all of them on a table first, just like what I'm doing here. If you look closely, each nail at the tip on the back has a little number there to show you the size of the nail. Just like this one I'm showing you, there's a tiny little number 3 there, and the one next to it is a like bigger one, of course, is a number 1 nail. For all Diva nails, they also have a little marking of the number on the plastic backing on the front. It's quite hard to see on camera, but believe me, it's there. So now I'm laying out all the fake nails from the largest to the smallest. In this box you get a total of 31 nails of 12 sizes, ranging from 0, which is the biggest, and to 11, which is the smallest. As you can see, there are only a few accent designs and mostly they are in the smaller side of the spectrum, which is good in a way because most of the time you would put the accent nail on your middle or ring finger. And then you can start matching the sizes of the fake nails to your actual fingernails. This one, for example, is a size 0 nail and it is a bit too big for my thumb here. As you can see, the rims are touching my actual finger. I think it's best to choose a size smaller than a size bigger if you happen to not be able to find the right size, because you would want the whole fingernail to completely adhere to the fingernail so that it's more secure. It will look more real as well. Just like this one I picked here. Also, make sure you measure the nails one by one because no fingernails are the same sizes. So these are all the nails I matched and picked. Ta-da! And now it's time to prep your fingernails for the fake nails. Here I use an instant cuticle remover from Sally Hansen, which is a jelly kind of liquid to help you remove dead skin on your fingernails. It's really easy to use. Just squeeze some of the jelly onto the cuticle areas of your fingernails and wait for about 15 seconds. And then you can start using a cuticle pusher to push your cuticle back, just like what I'm doing here. You can use the wooden stick that it comes with instead if you don't have one. But as you can see here, this dead skin is coming right off really easily. And you do it on all your fingers, of course. Here are my fingernails that look all clean and nice after I remove my cuticle areas. If you have to, you can then use the mini filer to file your nails to make them look smoother and shorter, but for me, I don't really need it because my fingernails are already really short. And then use the alcohol wipe to clean all your fingernails, but because my camera cut off from there, I couldn't really show you. But anyway, just wipe your fingernails with it, it's fine. And also, that's why here half of my fingernails are done, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how I do the rest. You simply take a fake nail that you already matched the size with, peel off the plastic backing till we feel the jelly-like glue at the back, and then carefully stick onto your actual nail. I like to first press really hard in the center and then on the sides to make sure every corner is being glued on securely, just like what I'm doing here. Because the glue on the fake nails is actually quite strong, so sometimes it's a bit hard to peel off the plastic backing, especially when most of the fake nails are on. But just take your time and be patient, it's just really simple and easy to do. I'm having a bit of struggle here, but I still get it done. So now I've glued on all of the fake nails and I'm trying to pose as professionally as those you see in nail salons. But hang on, you're not done yet. There is still one last step that I'll do to make them look even prettier. But before that, I want to show you a close-up of all three nail designs you get from this box. On my index finger here, that's a very popular marble design. And then middle finger is a very simple light pink color, and also on my ring finger is a lighter shade of pink with two little crystals. Okay, so what I'll do with these press-on nails is that I would use a nail filer to sort of smoothen the edges out. Because the fake nails are very thin and soft, it is really easy to shorten or reshape the nails with just a nail filer. But of course, you can use a normal nail clippers if you just want to keep the designs without making your nails long. That'll be way quicker. Also, I would focus on the sides of my nails to narrow down a bit at the tip because I feel like it will make your nails look much more natural, as no human fingernails are in a square shape really. So here you can see how I filed the fake nails down for a better shape here. Just focus more on the sides at the tip area, right there. And here is a comparison of before filing and after filing. The one on the right is the after, and you can see that it looks much more natural than the one on the left. And here comes the final look. So pretty. And as I'm editing, I'm on day 5 of having these nails on, and they're still going really strong. So now your nails are all pretty and shiny looking, what you can do to make them last longer. First of all, I think it's best for you to start doing your press-on nails at night after shower, because I feel like it's important for the glue to actually bond to your nails. Even though the glue is instant glue, it sticks to your nails immediately, but I think water does deglue the glue, if that makes sense. So if you have to do it during the day, I recommend you not to wash your hands in a few hours, if you can do that. So yeah, so I do recommend you to do it at night after all this stuff, and then after you do it, you just go to the bed and you have like a couple hours to like let it set onto your nails. If your actual nails are quite short to begin with, you could also face this problem just like I do. If you look at the back of your nails after you're done, you can see that the glues on the personal nails are longer than your actual nails. What it'll do is that because the glue is quite sticky, it gets really dirty easily, because all the fluff and dirt's gonna stick in there and it'll look dark and dirty really easily. And also because it's sticky, you get caught on stuff really easily. What I'll do is that I'll use any makeup powder, baby powder, and then I'll use a fluffy brush and dust some powder into the sticky area so that it doesn't stick anymore. Which is also another method about not just to help your nails last longer, but also to make them look as pretty as it can be. Sometimes your nails just want to pop right off in a day or two, no matter what. Especially when you're out and about doing shopping, doing errand. It's just so annoying because imagine all your nails are really long and pretty looking, and then all of a sudden one of your nails gone. So for me to overcome that situation, I got myself this, which is some kind of like double-sided nail tape. Basically this is a sheet of double-sided sticker for you to replace the glue that doesn't stick anymore, if that makes sense. So because it's really thin and light and easy to carry around, you can easily pop it into your wallet, your mini purse. So I feel like this is much better than those nail glue that you can get from drugstore. This kind of like sticker is already like cut into sizes, so it's really easy to use. You just have to like peel it out, pick the right size, stick onto your press-on nails, and then stick it onto your actual nails. Also, if you want to reuse your press-on nails, these stickers is perfect for you, because normally your press-on nails would only last you for like maybe 5 days, 6 days maximum if you take care of them. But with these stickers, you can reuse them as many times as you want, because you can just like remove your press-on nails and then replace the glue that doesn't stick anymore into the new glue stick, which is perfect, and it saves you a lot of money as well, because you don't have to buy the same box of press-on nails over and over again if you really like the design. The last tip I have for you to make your press-on nails last longer is actually quite obvious but also quite weird sounding, which is to wear a pair of gloves when you're washing your hair. You know, that kind of gloves when you wear when you're dyeing your hair at home. Sometimes when you're washing your hair, you know, having a shower, your hair would get caught into your press-on nails, especially the area near the cuticle, because sometimes the glue doesn't get as close as the cuticle area here. So when you're washing your hair get caught into the area there. As you pour, your whole thick nail's gonna fly out. So to protect you and your nails from that happening, wear a pair of gloves. That's gonna help a lot. So this is the end of my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.